Introducing Tecno Spark 8D 50 megapixel AI camera in Atlantic blue. It is also available in turquoise cyan color. It comes in a size of 16.5 into 7.6 into 0.9 centimeters and weighs 192 grams. This 50 megapixel AI high-resolution camera comes with f1.6 large aperture. It has an 8 megapixel front camera with dual front flash. The 6.6 inches FHD display has a 91.3% screen-to-body ratio. This camera comes in a stylish metal design and has a Helio G35 gaming processor for robust image. It comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The 5000 mAh powerful battery comes with ultra power saving mode. The box contains the smartphone, power adapter, USB cable, TPU cover and SIM ejector tool. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.